Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and email Steam support if you want faster responses. Maybe you filled out a form and they're not actually getting back to you. You can go ahead and email them to follow up. So this is their email, support@steampowered.com. Okay, let me give you an example email as well of what you can do. So here under subject, I've said request for refund. Be very specific. Let them know what the problem is. And here you want to put in the game name. Okay, maybe it's GTA 5. Any game, Red Dead Redemption. Then you go ahead and greet them, right, with your Steam support, address them. So you explain the problem. So say that you recently purchased Red Dead Redemption on whichever day you did, but unfortunately you're experiencing maybe an issue, maybe your game is crashing, it do not run properly, maybe you don't want it anymore, right? Explain that what you have done to try to fix the issue, and you still have not been able to solve it. And if you have played this for less than 2 hours, it's within the refund window, you are able to request for a refund. Give them your Steam account email, just thank them for their help, and just sign off. And it's really that easy and simple. This is a nice template you can go ahead and use.